Good morning, guys. It's a bright and sunny day. It's a Friday, which means it is the right day. It's bright and sunny, but extremely perfect weather for riding, 24 degrees Celsius. And the sun is out. I've just finished my breakfast in McDonald's. Let's just go. Let's ride. Today I'm riding the Hayabusa, 1300cc of full power, almost 200 bhp, and it's a fantastic bike to ride. So let's get going. The best thing about this bike, according to me, is not just the power and the speed which you can take it to, it's the low end torque. The low end torque is something which you cannot imagine. Like, you can ride at 40 kilometers per hour at the sixth gear and it'll still be perfectly fine. That's the best part about this bike. Good that the guy stopped. So here we go. We are riding around Al Wasl Road in Jumeirah in Dubai, and very soon you'll be seeing the Burj Al Arab in front of you. It's a fairly decent time to ride because it's not much traffic. It's a Friday morning. There you see the Burj Al Arab, and to your left, that is, which is the only 7-star hotel in the world. And it's a really nice place to ride because you don't have to ride fast. You can just enjoy the ride with cool breeze in your hair, and just enjoy the beauty around. We'll also be passing through the Jumeirah Beach Hotel as well as the Wild Wadi Water Park. There are speed breakers everywhere because people go crazy. That's the Wild Wadi Water Park on your right. And we will be passing through Burj Al Arab, but then we'll hardly get a short glimpse, there it is, of that. There is Madinat Jumeirah now coming up on your right, which also is a nice place to chill if you're in Dubai. What the hell is that tricycle thingy? Why would you ride that or drive that, whatever you so call it? It's the most stupidest thing ever. I'm just gonna try and overtake this guy. I mean, he's irritating me a lot. I mean, come on. Just ride a bike, will you? It's crazy. Really crazy. Let me try to overtake him from the right side. I think I can. Yes, there he goes. Bye-bye. And now we are entering the Palm Jumeirah. That is the monorail station on your left. Palm Jumeirah is one of the artificial island groups which has been made in Dubai. But one thing I can tell you is that this place is the most stupidest to ride a bike, especially a sports bike, especially if you have an Hayabusa. Just look at the number of bumps on the road. Oh my god, here comes more, and there it is. I mean, and there's so many signals as well, so yeah. And more. This has to be the worst road in Dubai ever for riding a bike. Okay, now you can see the Atlantis in front of you, and we are entering the tunnel. This, I think, is one of the longest tunnels in the Middle East and goes underwater as well to reach the crescent where the Atlantis is. So yeah, and there are so many bumps on this road as well. Oh my god, I'm gonna go mad. Look at the bike jump. Okay, there is a speed camera coming up on your left, so just need to slow down. Yeah. just passed the speed camera. Now let's go. So we actually are going underwater and coming out the other side where the Atlantis is. I'm riding at around 50 kilometers per hour, 50 to 60 kilometers per hour on the 6th gear, and it is just amazing. So now we are approaching Atlantis, and we will be seeing a lot of tourists as well as, I'm sure, tourist buses as well, people taking pictures. That's the Atlantis on your right. And yeah, now you can see it on your left. It's really nice. The weather is amazing and perfect time to ride. But make sure if you do plan to ride in Dubai or anywhere in the world, you wear your gear. You need to wear your gear. You may be safe, you may be doing everything right, but then there could be some idiot on the road who can just spoil it for you. So make sure you ride with all your gear, please. Now we are on our back and we are going to the tunnel again, and I'm just going to cut it through. Yeah. Now this whole ride I have not done anything more than 100 kilometers per hour, so let me see if I can get to do something. Oh, yeah. So here I got a couple of guys trying to race me. There was this BMW and one, I think, Ferrari, red Ferrari, which was trying to entice me to race with them, but then I was really not in a mood to do that. So that's the Ferrari, yeah. So I was not in the mood to do that, so I just kept my cool. But then I got an opportunity here to do a little bit of fast riding. So this is down the slope on Sheikh Zayed Road. So I tried going up to 140, and just bent behind the visor and ride in the racing position. And it was quite cool. So this was my thrill of the ride, if you may say that. So yeah, now I'm back home almost, just entering my locality, which is in Al Burj in Dubai, and there it is. That's the parking which I'm entering. And there I go. So it was a well spent morning, had good breakfast, a good ride, and it just helps me regenerate and remove the stress from the week. So this is a bit of a tight spot, but yeah, I can fit it in here easily. That is my wife's Audi TT, which is parked. I'm just trying not to hit that car. Yeah. So yeah, overall it was a good morning spent. Nice ride, good weather. Hope I get to make more videos like this, and hope you check it out more often. Thanks a lot guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and do give me a like for this video so that it helps me make more videos. Thanks a lot guys for watching. Have a nice day and have a nice weekend, and please make sure you ride with all your gear. That's the most important part in riding. That's my Hayabusa. Bye guys. Bye. Bye.